Hello, I think we haven't talked since early, so let me show you what I'm doing. As I told you before, I've been trying to make my mind about what I'm doing. So, and this is the project. So I will log my projects. I will wash this fabric, and this fabric. They are winter fabrics, and I will wash them and create something with them. I'm planning to do pants with this. This is a blouse. It's not stretch, it's a nice blouse. Will be from there, like a winter blouse. And this will be between the dress that I did before. Let me show you. Between this, because it's really nice for that, or this. I have enough for this. Oh, look, kind of like that. What do you think? So until this is dry, I don't know. When it's washed and dried, I will make that decision. I like also something like this, but this needs how many feet? 3 and something. Should I experiment with this? But you know what is the problem? This has pattern, and it will be really hard to make all the patterns work. Maybe this is more for something without pattern, only one color, but it's beautiful. So this is going to be washed. What is washed and ready to cut? Oh, in this basket, that will be my. This is a cotton fabric that came on my So Helly Jane, and I will be making a protector for my bread machine. I know this sounds weird. This is the fabric that I'm being like, I don't know what to do. Well, I found, look at this blouse. I think I'm doing that one. I like the neck part. I will experiment with that. I will stop being worried of using or not using. I spend not a lot on those fabrics. This is my last So Helly Jane too, and it's a pretty soft cotton, and I'm wanting to do these PJ pants, and I got also this ribbon in black that I will put like the belt here, and depend if this one, the fitting and everything is good, I will do the same for this. If no, I will do the elastic one that I have they made before. So these are ready to go. Let's wash the others, and then I will be ready for my projects. The idea is kind of the same that I'm doing with my yarns. Let's get some fabrics going, working. This is the last one, and I'm sure that I'm getting my So Helly Jane maybe the next week. Yeah, it takes longer to arrive here. Hi, Sneaky. So this is my yarn. So it's going. No, I didn't put extra. Looks like extra. These are the ones that I have also on my bags that I mentioned that it had extra of each one. And so far it was this left from all the yarns that I have before. Now I add more that are coming from where I have the other yarns I did in the morning. Those will be scarves. Yes, I did one of these like this because I love to take more from the center than from here, so I think I will do the same with the others when I finish the red. This is the scarf that I'm making. It's no any perfect pattern or something, but I'm doing in this way. It will be a long scarf, and I will do the little fringe in the end, and then I will do one in white and one in black, and then I will put in the donation bin. I will see how many I can do. I'm sure that this will be for only one, is for how I see that it's going. You want a long scarf, you don't want something short. And then if I can, I do hats too. So far we got rid of a lot when we did this one. Yeah, I love my sure. Okay, let's go to wash the other ones. I'm looking the patterns for this blouse that I want to do, and I'm really having a hard time because this has no measurements. So I'm thinking that, okay, I will go for size 18. That is usually what I do in mids, and take the risk, you know. And it's funny because they actually put, oh my gosh, the light is so bad. Don't know if I can do anything today. It got dark so quick. So it say that what is the parts that you have, like I am going to do E, and for E, sorry there. So for E, I need to cut pieces from 5 to 8. 5 to 8 is only 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that I have to cut. It's not a lot, but okay, I hope 18 is the right size. I honestly don't understand. Maybe the paper has more about the measurement. Oh, let me see. Okay, no extra information about measurements or anything. I think tomorrow I will take the risk. It got so dark. So what I will have to do is, as soon as I arrive from walking with my dog tomorrow, trace the pattern, because it is so dark. I don't have the right light. You know, it actually looks lighter in my camera than what it looks here. It looks so dark here. Kind of. Still, here it looks more brown color. The paper in the camera is looking more yellowish, and the lines, it looks so clear. I wish I could put the camera and just trace with the camera there, but it would not be easy. Oh, what is this? Never. Oh, yeah. So 18. Yeah, I think this is the right one. 42. I will go for 18 anyway. This is the bust size, and maybe it has for each one. Okay, I will have to really read better tomorrow. So yeah, and I will trace everything and work on that. Oh, I haven't done my advent. Let's get the advent going. Let me turn off this. Sadly, this will be a kind of short vlog, sorry. I really got distracted playing computer games and doing other stuff. And tomorrow I promise that I will begin to work on this. Oh, I have my fabric on the laundry and I have to put it in the dryer. So today we will work on 17 while I continue watching the vlogs, the Vlogmas. I will tell you some of them I cannot watch because they got their So Haley Jane vlogs, people that is in UK, and I don't want spoilers. And they are opening on the Vlogmas, so it will be like just a spoiler, and I don't want to do that. Today we don't have anything from the Bookmas. Will be tomorrow, and it looks like it's a long book, longer than the other ones. It actually has a little more, so I will have more to read, and the paper is at the end, so it will be exciting. I will be able to read at work, on my break, lunch, no bringing knitting like I did today. Oh, the other thing, I got a message of one of a long time YouTube friend, and she was telling me that she would love to see the boxes, you know, the unboxing of the other ones, like when I'm ready, and I will do that. Actually, my Christmas one, I will begin the 23rd, so I'm able to finish until Christmas, and my New Year one, I will begin as soon as I finish the Christmas one. So I know the Vlogmas will be over on the 24th. I'm not sure if I should do 25th. It will depend on how much. We don't do a lot. It's more like really us enjoying opening presents and stuff like that. So maybe I will just do a little short vlog that day and show you what happened. But just to let you know. And cookies. Maybe I will make a tea and enjoy of my cookie today. And okay, it's number 17. One of the little longer cookies. Oh my gosh, why is so hard this one? For my tea. I have not drink all the tea. Some of them, like I said, are so generic, the flavor, but I have some of the good ones, and I bring for work because I love tea at work. And 17 here, let's see if it's something that we had before. Gingerbread treat. Did I got this? I don't think so. And this has organic black tea with cinnamon, ginger, apple, and cardamom. This will be perfect for tomorrow, actually, because black tea, you know, the caffeine, I don't want to say until. I will save that for tomorrow. That sounds good. 17. We are almost done. Oh, it's so close. Anyway, so how is going my scarf? From the last report, this is all that I have done. It doesn't look good right now, but when I vlog and everything will look better, you know. It's not a lot of what I have done. I still have a lot of the red, so it will go good. It will be a nice size scarf. And like I say, I will do my Sudoku. I will watch more of the videos. And do you want to know what Vlogmas I'm watching? Let me see. Let me see. Come with me. Come with me. Let me see if I can show you who has Vlogmas. 1 second. Okay, let's mention just 5 of them from the subscriptions that I have. So basically, Brit, she's more like a booktuber, and she does like vlogs, but she does like week Vlogmas. So I haven't watched that yet. Next one, Devon Treadtails. This lady is so funny. She does a lot of sewing and everything. I'm watching her Vlogmas too. Who else is doing Vlogmas? Nitty Natty. Natalie is traveling around US. She wants to go to all the states. She loves to do yarn works, you know, like knitting, crochet, and she goes to do interviews and stuff. And she's doing Vlogmas, and she travel and lives in a van. So it's kind of interesting. It's kind of fun to watch. Lead Me to Peace. Of course, Jenny is the most sweet person, and she's doing a lot of the Vlogmas too, and I love to watch them. The Northern Two sisters. No, they're not. Wait, where are you? Oh, there is. Running so and so. This lady is such a sweet lady. I love to watch her. It's funny because for a long time I always have her videos popping and I watch them and I forgot to always click subscribe, but now I'm like so much loving. If you see, it's like I watch a lot of her videos before Vlogmas. So I will show only those for now. I don't want to go one by one. I have so many subscriptions and I have to catch up in all these vlogs, so time to do some Sudoku, crochet and vlogs, and then I will edit this video. Thank you so much for watching and I see you tomorrow.